Hello writers, welcome to Writers Workshop lesson number 7. Today's teaching point is going to be to write a great beginning for our personal narrative. This is what we're going to do today. First, we will check which are the elements of the beginning in a personal narrative. Then, I will give you 2 topics and you will choose one that you can write about. I will also give you a word bank to make your writing easier and faster. And then you will only write the beginning of your personal narrative. So before we begin, we need to check which are the elements of a personal narrative. A great beginning must include a hook to grab the reader's attention. But what is a hook? The hook is the lead that calls the reader's attention, like the hook from Captain Garfield. Then we must have a setting, that is, where and when does the story take place? Does it take place in the night, during the day, in a building, in a park, in a playground? And of course we must have characters that are all the ones that participate in your story, including yourself. Here is the beginning of my personal narrative, my personal story, so that you have a model. I will write beginning, of course the date, and the title. The title of my story is The Best Surprise of the Week. You wouldn't believe what happened to me. 2 weeks ago, I was in my house, in my room. I was feeling very sick because I had coronavirus. Many people were sending positive and beautiful messages so that I could get better soon. I had fever, headache, and my body hurt a lot, and I couldn't stop coughing. My girls, my family, and friends were all very worried for me. This is only the beginning of my real and true story. So here we're going to see which is the hook. The hook is what catches and calls the reader's attention. I could have begun my story by saying 2 weeks ago or last week, but I decided to start it with something that called your attention because you all want to know what happened to Miss Michu. Then comes the setting. The setting is where and when. When, 2 weeks ago, and where, in my house, in my room. Really in my room. I couldn't get out of there. And the characters, this is the setting. And the characters are my girls, my family, and my friends. Of course, myself also. So now you're going to choose one of the following topics. First, which is the funniest thing that has happened to you on a vacation or trip to another place? Or, which is the worst thing that has happened to you on a vacation or trip to another place? I know that you're asking yourself, oh, I don't understand some words. So I just made up a little vocabulary of the word trip, that is to travel to another place. Funniest, that is somebody that causes others to laugh a lot. And worst is something very, but very bad. So now it's your turn. Now you will write here, the topic that you chose. If you chose the funniest or the worst moment. Then in the slide, not in the notebook, you're going to write the beginning of your story. Always keep in mind that you must separate your ideas into different sentences using punctuation and capital letters when needed. That means periods, commas, question marks, exclamation marks, and capital letters. This is where you're going to have together with the presentation in Google Classroom. You're also going to have a word bank. It's optional. If you want, you may use it. It's a list of different words classified into pronouns, verbs, adjectives, noun, and prepositions that you may use to make your writing easier and faster. This is what you're going to find also in Google Classroom. The beginning, a page where you're going to write the beginning. You're going to write here the title, of course, the date, and in this specific place, you're going to write the beginning of your story. Always remembering the elements of a great beginning. And every time you want, you click here and you go back to the word bank if you need. This we're going to hand it in next Wednesday, June 24. Don't forget to press Entregar Tarea once you finish. And I would love that you go to the Google sites, English Google site, and you will find Writer's Workshop, writing, and many different videos and elements that are going to be very useful to make your writing even better. So thank you very much and see you next week.